So what a year it's been in the Gold Coast property market. We've seen the highs and lows throughout the year. Some of the highs obviously being that the growth of the Gold Coast has continued. However, the lows right now that we can see is the markets seem to have pulled back a bit, like the accelerator pedals off at the moment, just because obviously it could be the time of year, but we're definitely seeing lower numbers through inspection numbers, inquiries, and you'll see those auction clearance rates have actually dropped as well. So it's really a time where a bit of uncertainty is happening. People who are putting their property on the market at the moment are still looking and still getting those good prices, but expectations are still higher than where the market actually is. So buyers are starting to get a little bit more control, which they haven't had for about 4 years during the COVID period. So now we're really starting to see negotiations, the sellers having to come down a little bit more than what the buyers are willing to go up these days. So there is still a short supply of stock, and it's still, the Gold Coast still looks like a great spot with all the migration still coming here. There's one thing I just want to talk about interest rates that people don't understand. We've had 13 interest rate rises. Now we're waiting maybe till the middle of next year to see drop. We might see one drop, but at the same time we might see four, but they're only going to be slight, and people are already suffering at the moment. So they're dropping those rates just because people are hurting. The reason why they dropped in COVID was they wanted the people to spend money and buy property, but now it's more a survival mode. So if you think that the market's just going to boost back up again because of those current interest rate potential drops, I think you're in for a bit of a shock. I think this market's still going to probably plateau out a little bit. It might still show a little bit of growth, but we're not seeing that, 10 to 20% in 12 months scenario. So at the end of the day, it's been a great year for everyone, positive year for everyone in the property market. But as we move into 2025, we could be seeing a different scenario.